Find the magnitude and direction of this vector, oh yeah, in component form -8 and -41. First things first, what component form does is it gives you direction and it gives you distance. Okay, in order to draw a vertex in this form, you're going to have to go left 81. So you have like a starting point. You go left 8 because it's -8, and then you go down 41 because it's 41 and it's negative. And then your final vector is going to be from this starting point to where you ended up. So pretend that that's a perfectly straight line. We have a vector that goes down and to the left, much more down than to the left. So if you're looking at this and saying, this is like really familiar with some polar stuff and magnitudes and that, you're absolutely right. If I wanted to find the magnitude, that's basically the distance from here to here. That's basically Pythagorean theorem. So we would just say that the magnitude is going to be the square root of 8 squared plus -8, technically -8 squared, plus -41 squared. Now it will become positive, but I'm going to be specific. That's 64. This is 1681. Okay. And then when you add those guys together, you get the square root of 1745, which rounds out nicely to 41.773. Now, that is the magnitude. Okay, that is the distance. The absolute value from the beginning to the end is 41.773. In order to find the direction, it's basically like what we're used to. We're going to do the inverse tangent. Normally, we would do the inverse tangent of y over x. This is going to be absolutely no different. So the inverse tangent of -41 over -8. Okay, which requires the use of a calculator. So let me go off to the side and figure that out. All right, so this one you're looking at 4.52 radians. And 520 radians after you round everything together. So, you're looking at, so that's definitely like more than regular pi. So you are looking in this area right here. So it does make sense when you come up with these. But yeah, there you have it. Magnitude means distance from the very beginning. And the direction in this case comes from doing the stuff that we've been doing all year long.